Good afternoon, we are Group 8, which consists of Amber Purser, Lauren Shaburla, Sabina Wade, and myself, Hannah Shirley. American Guitar Company produces beginner and professional model guitars and uses adjusted costing and normal cost for external reporting purposes. We have analyzed the July performance and have made recommendations for the future.
We recommend that American Guitar implements a standard costing system. Standard costing is used in manufacturing as a control for measuring variations from standard costs. It works well for operations that manufacture the same way over and over, using the same process and same input costs. American Guitar manufactures two different types of guitars, but does not customize the guitars for specific customers. American Guitar uses a work order system to drive its manufacturing. Standard costing is the perfect tool to evaluate performance after the completion of each job because it will facilitate improvement efforts in its production, finishing, and purchasing departments if any variances that affect performance are identified.
Overhead variances represent 88% of the total variances for the month of July, followed by an 8% for labor and 4% for material variances. Further investigation indicates that 90% of the overhead variance is volume related and only 10% is attributed to spending. Production and sales were only 80% of budget, thus driving the large volume variances for the month. Spending exceeded budgeted amounts by $5,500, indicating there were some unexpected items during the month of July. Workers performed well during the month of July with only 3,000 unfavorable variance during a time of reduction in production. The unfavorable rate variance most likely resulted from laying off some of the workforce, which could have skewed the workforce towards the more experienced and higher priced employees. However, this increase was offset by the more experienced workforce working more efficiently and making fewer mistakes in production. This produced a favorable labor efficiency and favorable material usage variance. The favorable material price variance could be attributed to inaccurate material standards set for beginner model. A supplier price increase is unlikely as the material for the professional model came in almost at standard and the materials for both models are very similar.
Overall, we recommend that American Guitar Company implements a standard costing system. For more information, please reference our attached memo. This has been Group 8's Managerial Accounting Project for Fall 2013. Thank you for your time, and we hope you enjoyed our presentation.